Hey there, so I'm coming to you from the concourse. Now this is the main building. Okay, so the one that's going to have the Bay Lake View rooms, or also the theme park view rooms. The monorail is here, that checkpoint, and under normal times, would take you to Epcot. Right now, it's going to the Polynesian, although there is not a stop at the Polynesian right now due to the construction, but it is also going to the Grand. So you have Chef Mickey's in this area, which is a character meal. Of course, it's modified from how it normally would run. And I'm going to show you the Contempo Cafe. So whether you're in the Bay Lake building, or if you're in this building, or if you're in that the Garden Wing Garden View building. Oh, and look at all this deliciousness. That's reason enough to stay here, that's for sure. So you do the mobile order here on your phone. They're showing you they got the breakfast, lunch, and the dinner. I don't want to be too much of a pain because I didn't order. All right, I didn't order. I'm just doing a video so people can see how they do order. Sorry. So you're a superstar now. So you come and you place your order, and then the lovely Shannon will have it all ready for you right here.
Absolutely.
Makes it very easy. And then they have, pre-COVID, you would come and get your grab-and-go items over here by yourself, but now you ask. So again, any of the buildings can utilize that. This is where the resort refillable mugs are. Again, they're going to fill them for you right now. So you can see all kinds of guests in this area dining here. So we're going to come on out here. So also in this area, you're going to have a gift shop, two of them. We have the BVG here, which is going to have a little bit of everything. And the Fantasia one is going to have a lot of pins and merchandise like that. And then there's another one tucked in the back over there that's going to have more of like your sundries. So we're going to continue down the stairway here, and then I'm going to show you the lobby area of the main building, and I'm also going to show you out to where the Garden Wing, Garden View buildings are, and also the pool. So thanks for joining us.